Hello everyone. Tonight I'm going to show you Windows 11 operating system help. In particular, I'm going to show you a PDF files for help as well as audio files that I wrote it in Python programming language to make it easier for you to learn faster. So without further ado, let me just go through a slideshow here. As you can see, the operating system, the background image is Windows 11 operating system, and I'm going to discuss the help using PDF and audio files, which I prepared on my website at mywebuniversity.com/Windows_11, and then help_PDF is the URL, and that is secure page that you can visit. In this page, I'm going to teach you practical learning with Windows 11 help command line. So without further ado, let's just go into the website and then show you what I have for you for tonight. So as you can see, this is the URL that I just showed you as a Windows 11_help PDF. But to understand the command line syntax, most people, they use the graphical user interface on Windows. So if you're a very kind of a novice person and you just like to click on buttons, the menu here that is giving you the shortcuts, all of the file manager, you can just go through the files and learn the commands by just clicking on the drive that you want to go on the directory, and then the file that you want to open, double click on it, or single click, right click, or open it. However you want to learn it, that's one way to do it on the graphical user interface. But if you're a student learning computer science or information science or math major or anything, most likely you will be doing some sort of bash scripting on Windows or shell scripting on Unix and Linux and other environment, and then Python programming, C++, Java. So the command line syntax is very easy to understand as well. And I'm going to show you the command line here. It's up to you to decide whether the command line is for you or not. But if you decided, I made it much, much easier for you to understand using a web browser. All you need is internet access and a web browser. And then you just come in, visit this URL, and start learning. So for example, if you want to learn the type command, you just click here, and then I just provide you a PDF file for the type command syntax. And then here I'm just showing you help type. The type command, it just says this is the syntax and how it works. Similarly, if you want to just look at the audio file for it, you just click on the audio here, and then you come here and it just display the HTML version here, as well as you can click on the audio.
Displays the contents of a text file or files. Type drive, path, file name.
So I was talking, you can just click on
Displays the contents of a text file or files. Type drive, path, file name.
And then this is as much as you want. You could just be not sitting in front of your computer. Maybe you could just put it on the background and read the whole manual for you. And either you could look at it as a PDF file or look at the actual audio file, listen to the audio file. So let's search for the help on this one that I'm going to discuss on this video. So I'm going to do Control F here, type in help here. Notice that whenever I search, it says one of 8 is found. So I'm going to say, show me those ones. There's 2 of them here. One is for the help command itself, and one is help on help. So this is the 2 PDF files, and these are the 2 audio files for both of them. Let's look at the first one, that is help on help, which is short one. So I'm going to click on the help on help, which is this PDF file that opens up here. So that one will just say that the PDF file, the syntax is help on help. So you could type in help followed by any other command that is one of the command, in this case help. Another one is CMD. Another one is version. Another one is type, volume. Anything that you want to type, 88 of these commands are listed here, and it shows you the syntax, how to use the command help. So in this case, if I just go back to here and say, show me the audio file for it, it shows the audio in HTML version as well as the audio file.
Provides help information for Windows commands. Help, command, command, displays help information on that command.
So this is one way to just get help. Now I'm gonna demo that on the command line. So if I clear my screen here, and then let's say cd to the root directory. Let me just get out of this one. I'm gonna open a command prompt here. By typing cmd here, it's much easier to just show you from the start. This menu comes in, and I have an option to make it bigger or to just move it to the side or increase the font or anything. So here, if I type in help on help command, that's the output that you get. But I made it easy for you, so you don't have to be sitting in front of a Windows machine to type in that command to see the output. I made it available on my website with a PDF format. And then also the website, as you can see here, if I go back to the website, this is the HTML audio version. But for this one, help on FPDF, normally this is an text format when you do it here. This is text format. So I just said, well, it is nice to just have this one in a FPDF format here that you can just read the whole thing in a very nice way. But I'm giving full credit to MyWebUniversity.com, which is my website that I wrote this program. And I use Python programming language as Windows 11 operating system help commands that was already available. So I did not rewrite the help command myself, but it is, as you can see, for each command you type in, the operating system will tell you. For example, if I say help CMD, it will give me the CMD commands on syntax and all of that detail. Similarly, if I say help type, then it's going to give me the type information. Help version is going to give me that version. So if I type ver, it's going to give me the operating system version. Help find command, it will just do that find command. Similarly, everything else, if you just type in help by itself, which I'm going to later on show you, and that is another syntax, you could type in help without any argument, and it's going to give you the help. So I could type in 5 more, and then one screen at a time, it gives you a summary of the help menu. So this one is in a PDF format, and then at the same time, I just showed you the help itself. If you look at the help command here, that's also generated by my program in Python, and that it just does a help command output here. So this is the entire thing here. If you just type in, clear the screen here, help, that would just be displaying that information. So that whole information is there. In addition, if you look at the PDF file, it's how many pages it? It's about 4 pages. It's going to give you that information. Let's look at the help on help audio file. So the audio file is similarly, I'm just typing help here, and this information comes in. And notice that I'm putting in a text area here as an HTML file. So the whole output of the text file is here. And then if I just refresh the screen here, refresh it, say, refresh here, then at this time, I think it is big enough, so I'm not going to resize it. I'm going to just click on read to read it. It is 6 minutes and 40 seconds. I'm not going to let the whole thing run. At some point, I'm going to stop, and then I could, you see that this control have the information that you could control it, where to read. So I'm going to start from the very first.
For more information on a specific command, type help command name ASSOC displays or modifies file extension associations. A trib displays or changes file attributes. Break sets or clears extended control plus C checking. BCDEDIT sets properties in boot database to control boot loading. CACLS displays or modifies access control lists. ACLs of files. Calls one batch program from another. CD displays the name of or changes the current directory.
So this list of summary of command that are there, it's about 88 of them. And when you run these ones, I provide you the whole thing in a very nice format. And then on the HTML, and then as well as the table that you can go, and each one of them, you look at them, you are going to have an option to look at the audio. For example, if I move it to the last line here, and I just say read it.
MD, X session. Tree graphically displays the directory structure of a drive or path. Type displays the contents of a text file. Ver displays the Windows version. Verify tells Windows whether to verify that your files are written correctly. To a disk. Volume displays a disk volume label and serial number. XCOPY copies files and directory trees. WMIC displays WMI information inside interactive command shell. For more information on tools, see the command line reference in the online help.
So I let the whole thing starting from the 3 command to be read. And you're welcome to just read it as many times as you want, and then set it in the background and start learning. That is as easy as it is. And then now I'm going to show you the help command from the command line itself, that I could get the same information. So clear screen. If you type in help by itself, you get the list of all the summary of commands that are available. Clear screen again, help, 5 more is going to just do 1 screen at a time. All of these commands are there. And as I previously showed you, if you want to say help on the copy command, it's going to give you the syntax on copy. Help on X copy is going to do this. Help on move command is going to do move. Help on directory. So as we learn the command, you can also do a directory here to do the list. Help dir is going to give you this. So help volume is going to give you the volume. Vol is there. So you get enough for today for just covering what we have. Please, for more information, just comment on this URL, which I have it on the link here. This one, www.mywebuniversity.com, Windows_11 help_PDF, and then bookmark that one. And then once you bookmark this page, you are welcome to watch any of these PDF files, read it, or just listen to the audios. For there's about 86 of these commands. And then you're welcome to also watch my other videos that I already posted on MyWebUniversity, my YouTube channel, which are all computer science related topics, whether it's programming languages such as C, C++, Python, Java, Ruby, anything that I have discussed, Awk shell scripting, a lot of them, Apache web server, Go language, everything that is, there's at least 1 video or 2 video or a lot of videos in Python and C, C++ stuff. So you're welcome to watch them, and then you can see that we have operating system, Linux, Unix, Windows, Mac, and then a lot of other videos as well. There's even full videos on Red Hat or Rocky or Ubuntu operating system and Windows operating system. So it's a lot for you to learn. And then there's a lot of thousands of documentation as well, similar to the Windows I have done for Linux and PDF files also. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I really appreciate that one. And hopefully we will just learn together for free, and then without going to a university or a college, and you could have enough skills to just do any of your job or school homework easily. And nowadays, by just subscribing to some YouTube channels that are all available for you for free. Enjoy it. Have a good one. Take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.